Hey guys, Instagram not opening or loading, don't worry, I got you. Let me show you how easy it is to fix it in just a couple of ways. So follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin. So if you're stuck inside the Instagram, simply swipe up to exit it, and now you can try to reload your connection. So swipe to the bottom of your screen to open the control center right here, then enable the airplane mode. Just wait a couple of seconds and turn it off again. Now your phone will be reconnected to the Wi-Fi. Now, if this didn't work for you, you can try checking for any updates for Instagram. So to do this, open App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device, then go to the search tab just like that, and then click on the search field, and afterwards search for Instagram. Now look for any option for updating, and if you see one, simply, click on it. And if you do not have one, I just can recommend for you just re-downloading Instagram. So to do this, you would have to firstly delete Instagram just by clicking and holding onto it, then choose the remove app option and then confirm in this pop-up menu. Now you can re-download it inside the App Store or Google Play Store, and this action will force update Instagram. Now, if you're connected to a VPN server, this might be an issue with a VPN server, so just try to disconnect from it and opening Instagram again. But also you can try to restart your mobile device. This also might really help to resolve this issue. Now, you can also enter any browser and open Instagram inside the browser like Safari or Google Chrome, and you can also check if Instagram is down. So open the search field and ask, is Instagram down? Now hit go at bottom right and open the first website called Down Detector. Now here you will see the graph of how much the Instagram was down, and that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful for you. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.